Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader.
Funny tongue twisters. Improve your English pronunciation. Elizabeth's birthday is on the third Thursday of this month. Elizabeth's birthday is on the third Thursday of this month. Now let's try to say it fast. Elizabeth's birthday is on the third Thursday of this month. Elizabeth's birthday is on the third Thursday of this month. Elizabeth's birthday is on the third Thursday of this month. Sushi cake, sushi cake, sushi cake, sushi cake. Try to say today's tongue twister fast at least 3 times. How about 7 times? Can you do it? We challenge you. Are you ready to accept the challenge? I hope you had fun practicing your pronunciation with this funny tongue twister. If you know any other interesting tongue twisters, please share them with us in the comments. We would like to try them too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. And if you would like to support our channel and family, please use this PayPal link, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.